Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Bar-El, and again, like I said, I'm doing all the episodes because this car, I really love the Forester. I think it's a great car. I got a 2022 Forester Premium. Obviously, I got it used. It's 2026 now. So I got to just tell you, though, it was in brand new condition, like I said, and it had a lot of annoying things that go throughout the entire lineup, really, even up to 2026, from what I heard. So I've been helping people trying to get rid of a lot of the annoying things. Now, if you look, this basically when you have somebody not putting on their seatbelt, it would basically, have this flashing. But I'm going to let you know exactly how the hell it sounds, because my wife went in the car, and I believe she hit this without, the start ignition, without putting her foot on the pedal, just to kind of give power to the car. And I think that's what triggered it. I'm not sure, but a lot of people are reporting that. Basically what happens is you're going to hear in the video exactly what it sounds like.
It's making noise without, it's just flashing lights. It's making noise without anything.
But this, I'm not wearing a seatbelt now, so this is good that it says that. But what happens is, it would say it up here, and do it in this most annoying way where it flashes and makes these horrible sounds, and the damn thing would not go away. No matter who puts on the seatbelt, everybody puts on the seatbelt, it would do that. So how the hell do we get rid of that stupid noise? And again, this is a glitch with all, pretty much the Foresters. Again, I love this freaking car. I'm going to show you guys how I customize everything to make it really, really nice and good looking. Not just a family car, what it is, but it's also good as a sort of like a sports car. I'm not talking about no Hemi engine here or anything like that, but it's great. And it does great, it controls, it has good sensors, it has everything that you need. So anyways, I'm not going to get into too much on, why you should get this car. That'll be for another episode, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get rid of this disgusting sound. You're going to get a lot of mixed signals from a lot of people, but some people will tell you just press this a number of times, press the up and down arrows or whatever. I'm going to show you guys what to do. It's very simple. You got to buckle and unbuckle. I'm not kidding. Buckle and unbuckle, but you can hold the button down of the seat belt and just keep going like this 20 times, and the sound literally freaking goes away. You can see I don't have my seat belt right now, and the sound is not on, but most important, it's not up here. Now, do I need to know when somebody is not putting their seat belt? Of course. I don't need a sound to remind me that, right? I could see it right here. And if I put on my seatbelt, that little sign goes away. I don't need a ringtone that constantly rings. And this is exactly what happened, because then comes the horrible sounds, as you heard in that video with my wife saying, like, what the hell's going on here? So anyways, let me show you what to do exactly. Okay, guys. So you see this? You literally hit this, and you go like this. Till you get up to 20. I kid you not. You do it while the car is on. At least that's how it worked for me. And the freaking sounds went the hell away, making it that much less annoying. Just letting you know. So you basically take this, you hold down on the button. Okay? You hold down on the button and you just enter out like that. 20 times, I kid you not, exactly freaking 20 times, and the sound goes away. Anyways, that's how you get rid of that annoying sound. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini series to unboxings to technology, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. As many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.